Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Canva AI Generator Magic Edit, photo editing with Canva AI tool. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now hello guys, in today's video we will be discussing and demonstrating how you could use this AI editing of Canva. Now it's a very simple AI, so let's demonstrate it. The first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, choose your canvas. To start with, let's go with a very simple one. Simply click on create a design over here on the top right. And after that, I'm going to select Instagram Square. Then we will be redirected to another page, and this will be our main editing page where we will be able to edit our different photos. Now, for you could upload any type of photo that you want. It can be yourself, your picture of your family, any type of photo. But for me, let's go explore Pexels over here. Pexels allows us to download free stock photos and royalty images and even videos shared by creator. So you don't have to worry about using their photo and risking a copyright strike. So for us, let's simply search for something very simple. Search for a dining table. After that, we will be able to see all sorts of photos over here related to dining table. Now, I'm going to download a simple one. For example, this one over here, a very simple photo of a dining table. And this is a perfect photo to show you how to use the AI image editor of Canva. Now, simply go over here, upload your photo into Canva by simply dragging it into your Canva editing software or your editing page over here, and it will upload, and there we go. We now have our photo over here in the center. Let's make it bigger. There we go. Enlargen it a bit more. And what you're going to do is simply click on the photo, click on edit photo, and over here under effects, you're going to see over here on the left side under FX effects, you're going to see this tools over here. You have different tools. You have the background remover, magic eraser, magic expand, magic edit, magic grab, and magic or grab text over here. And what we're going to look at in today's video and explore is the magic edit over here. Now, as you can see, if you can notice, it is marked as beta. So you don't really, or you can't expect this specific feature to be very amazing. You will have to expect that there will be some shortcomings and some mistakes that it will produce because, of course, it's currently in beta, so it's not going to be perfect just yet. But anyway, let's demonstrate it with the photo that we have chosen. Simply select this to get started. There we go. Now, the first part or the step one is brush over the area to edit, as you can see here. You can change the size of your brush to any size. Right now, as you can see, there's a circle on our cursor. This is our current size. We could make it bigger so that we could target a larger size of the photo that we would like to edit. Or we could make it smaller so that we could target smaller parts of the photo. We could also select to edit the entire image, which will, of course, edit the entire image, as the name suggests. So what I want to do is actually, we're going to zoom over here on our plate. I want to add some sort of fruits over here. So I'm going to simply color this part, meaning this is the area that I would like to edit. There we go. I would like this to be the part that would be edited. Click on continue and simply describe what you want to add or change. Now I want to add fruits just like I mentioned earlier. Let's say add a pile of strawberry. There we go. If you don't know what to add and if you want to just simply test this app or this feature out, there will be some inspirations over here, as you can see. For example, add impressionist painting, add a vase with beautiful flowers, or make it brighter. You could use this as an example of what you could do with the different prompt that you could ask the AI to do. So after selecting the part of the image that you would like to edit, After putting in the description, simply click on generate and it will generate 4 different results. You will be able to choose and select from 4 different outputs, and that is a good thing because you have multiple options right away. You don't need to generate over and over until you get that result that you want. Sometimes you will be able to get the result that you want right away. Sometimes you're going to have to regenerate it over and over. That is how or what you should expect with AI generators. So let's simply wait for it. As you can see, there we go. We now have our first photo. We have our second photo over here, which is, I think, more realistic, and our third photo over here, which is very nice. Let's go with our third photo. Simply click on done, and you will be able to save the changes that you have made. Now we have this photo over here as our original, and we have this as our new. Now let's do it again. Let's click on our photo again, edit photo, and let's do the same process that you did earlier that we did. Click on magic edit, and this time let's remove a part. I would like to remove this candle over here. So simply highlight the candle. There we go. Click on continue and simply say remove. After that, simply click on generate, and it will generate again 4 different images that would remove this. But there is a better tool for this, which is the magic erase over here, which is a better option for this edit. Although you are still able to do it with the magic edit. The magic eraser is designed to remove parts of the image, and the magic edit is basically designed to add. But I think, or I believe, you will still be able to use the magic edit because magic edit is like the general version of this app. And as you can see, it's not a perfect job, but it's almost gone, so you could regenerate a new result again. But let's cancel it for now and let's generate something else. Actually, I would like to generate flowers over here. So let me generate a bigger size over here. Let's cover up our top vase over here and click on continue. Then let's say red roses. Click on generate, and let's wait and see if we will be able to turn this vase of some leaf. I don't know if the flowers got cut off, but currently it just looks like a leaf. Let's see if we will be able to convert it into roses so that we have a better looking output. And there we go. We have our first result, our second result over here. There we go. Third one, and the fourth one. I think the best one is the second one because there is more color. So let's simply click on done, and this is our final image over here. We were able to transform this very plain photo of a dining table into a more colorful reddish theme to our dining table over here. As you can see, we have some roses and we even have some strawberries over here. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to use the magic edit of Canva. Now, once again, don't expect to get perfect results right away. Keep in mind that this feature is currently in beta, so you have to give it some patience and time to be able to generate the output that you really want to receive. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.